Silvanos Mudzvova, can you briefly tell us what happened from the day that you were abducted?
Soon after my abduction, I came to the hospital, and I've been treated for various injuries, and they've tried to find the substance that I've been injected with, but they haven't been able to actually find what sort of injection it was. And again, yesterday I was operated on the stomach. They thought my intestines had actually moved. They were not on the correct position, so that is what they were reconstructing. Now that has been dealt with. Now I can eat. Now I can easily go to the toilet. So that has been the process like.
You are watching ZimdiTv.
And then soon after that, they injected me with a substance that I didn't know, and they did left. The villagers actually started calling, shouting, what are those 5 cars parked inside the bush doing there? So that is actually what led them to leave me there. So the villagers, they actually took me, they made phone calls, and then I was picked from there. Then I came to the hospital, and I think I've been treated for external wounds. Some of them, they are still visible. And then yesterday I was actually taken for an operation, actually not on the correct position. So that has been what is actually transpired.
And up to today, you don't know who abducted you?
Yeah, I don't know. I have called the police to say that they should actually come and do a statement for me, but they haven't responded. So as of now, I am not so sure what is happening, and they haven't even made a follow-up.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel ZimdiTv News and be the first to receive breaking news and stories making headlines. And also subscribe to our website ZimdiTvNews.com and never miss a story.